Hi, my name's Mark and welcome to Membership Websites. We're currently logged in as a member. This is sample member number 3. And as you see, we're looking at the contact information tab. But what if we want to collect additional information in this area? So maybe we want to add a second phone number. Let's go to the admin of the site. Let's go down to Toolbox, Form Manager. We're going to search for the contact member details form, which is just here. It hasn't been customized. If it had been, it would have already been up here. So we're going to customize the form. And then when that form loads, we can see all the information on the left hand side, and we can see a preview of the form on the right hand side. So we're going to add an additional field. We're going to go down to the phone number section, and we're going to add another phone number field. So we're going to select phone number as a type of field. We're going to put second phone number as a label, and that's created a variable. You need to ensure that your database variable is different from your original. We can decide whether we want it required or not. We can open the cogwheel, scroll down. We can place a placeholder text into this space here, enter phone number. We can put in a help field just here, which will display below the box. Add your phone number here. And you don't need to add all this. I'm just showing you just for demonstration. We want the person to be able to input it, but we also want to make sure it's displayed on the front end as well. We save the changes to that. When we go back to Form Manager, this form will end up in the custom section. However, we haven't changed any of the form names. So if we go to Finance, Membership Plans, we're going to find the membership plan that has the sample member 3 in, which is this one just here, membership plan 1. We're going to edit it. And when we go to the member dashboard, we can see that we're still using the same form that we've customized because we haven't changed the name. But if we did change the name, we would need to come here and reselect the new form. So if we go back to our main website, let's just refresh. And you can see the second phone number field has appeared. We've put a placeholder in that says enter phone number. And then we've got a help text below, add your phone number here. So again, you don't need to add this information. I'm just showing you just as an example of what you could do. I hope you found that information useful, and thanks for watching.